It's going to be presented by Supervisor Pam Slater Price, and it's honoring Yash Huilgol, who will be accepting the proclamation.
It's really an honor today to be able to honor this young man who's done a really remarkable thing and has added something for the county. Right now, as a lot of people know, we're working on a fitness program for all the county residents. And in fact, last week we just went out and dedicated a new QR in Forest Ranch Park, which is now in 4 different parks, which is a little trail that you can follow and have exercise programs that will change every month, so it keeps it stimulating, using your smartphone to download the application. And at that time, I had an inkling that there was going to be something presented for Rancho de los Penasquitos Park. And here we are today, only this time the county didn't have to pay any money for it because Yash here has done it for his Eagle Scout project. And I'm going to tell you about what he's done because I think it's quite remarkable. We're so glad to have him here and his whole family here today. Yash Huilgol is a Rancho de los Penasquitos resident, currently a junior at Westview High School and an Eagle Scout. Yash has spent more than a decade exploring the nearly 4,000-acre Los Penasquitos Canyon Preserve at least twice per week. When Yash thought of what he could do for his Eagle Scout project, he decided to make it easier for park users to access information and to find their way through the preserve. Whereas with the help of family, friends, and park rangers, Yash spent 117 hours refurbishing 24 mile markers and creek crossing signs and creating an interactive trail map that provides easy access to the preserve's web page, which is fantastic. Yash designed and installed quick response QR codes at the trailheads and the mile markers, giving trail users information about the preserve's history and rules, trail tips and distances, and points of interest, vegetation, and wildlife. Yash also gathered and installed GPS coordinates at each of the mile markers, making the preserve's information and hiker locations immediately available on the interactive map when downloaded to a handheld GPS. The QR codes and GPS coordinates Yash installed in the preserve not only give helpful information and hiker locations, but assist rangers, fire departments, and rescue teams in communicating with and finding trail users in an emergency. Yash has received the Innovation and Community Service Award from the Boy Scouts of America San Diego Imperial County's Board of Directors and is the first community volunteer to receive the County Information Technology Department's Innovator Award. The County of San Diego is committed to recognizing and honoring individuals who are dedicated to the best ideals of community service, and Yash Huilgol is certainly one such worthy individual. Therefore, be it proclaimed by Chairman Ron Roberts and all members of the San Diego County Board of Supervisors on this 24th day of July, 2012, that we do commend Yash Huilgol for his service to the community, and we do hereby declare this day to be Yash Huilgol Day throughout the County of San Diego, and also to honor his family for doing such a great job of having a fine young man and bringing him up properly. So, congratulations, Yash. Would you like to tell us a little bit about that?
Basically, I'd like to thank everyone on the Board of Supervisors as well as Supervisor Slater Price for allowing me to come here and be recognized for this very, very super awesome award. This project would not have been possible without the help of everyone at the Parks and Recreation Department, including every ranger down in Los Penasquitos Canyon. This includes Ranger Paul Kuarchek and Ranger Gina Washington. Also, my Boy Scout Eagle counselor, Mrs. Beverly Flynn. I would also like to thank my troop, Troop 667, which is located in Rancho Penasquitos as well. And of course, my friends and family who are with me right now. Thank you.
And how old are you?
I'm 16.
Okay. So I just asked him his age because he's been volunteering for 10 years and exploring, which means he's 16. That means he's been doing it since the age of 6. Great record.
Thank you. Oh. Thank you. And Supervisor Slater Price, I'd like to give you and the rest of the board basically a quick my woman. Thank you.